Hey there, RaceCraft fans. This is Bill Hahn Jr., and I wanted to show you our latest intercooler upgrade for the GXP and Redline. Of course, you know who you are, and we have taken the biggest, baddest intercooler for GXP and Redline and, well, made it even bigger and badder. Our new core design is 4.5 inches deep, 8 inches tall, and 27.5 inches wide for just the most enormous amount of cooling you can get for GXP and Redline. And to set off the new core size, we used to do what were cast end tanks. Now we're doing them in 1/8 inch thick sheet metal. We just decided rather than to do a new casting, we would go to the thick sheet metal design, and you can see the absolute gorgeous welding and fabrication we've got here. Of course, our 2.5 inlet and outlet pipes that we upgraded a couple years ago. But just look at the craftsmanship. Sumptuous, delicious, everything you've come to expect from Hahn RaceCraft. Just gorgeous detail. And once again, now the largest intercooler, even more so, Hahn RaceCraft for your GXP or Redline.